In this video, we'll show you how to install and replace the door handles on your GE Appliances bottom freezer refrigerator. To complete this task, you will need a rubber mallet. Each handle on your refrigerator is attached to the door by sliding the handle into the two plastic mounting fasteners on the door. To install the freezer handle, brace the refrigerator on the right side and hold it in place. Align the slots inside the handle end cap to the mounting fasteners and slide it to the right until it comes to a hard stop. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the left side of the handle until the handle no longer moves to the right. To remove the freezer handle, gently tap a rubber mallet on the right end cap towards the left until you see the handle disengage from the fasteners. To install a handle on the refrigerator door, align the slots on the new door handle with the fasteners. Then firmly pull the handle downward until it no longer moves. If you have a French door refrigerator, the action is exactly the same on the opposite door. To remove the refrigerator door handle, firmly grab the handle with both hands, and then lift the handle upward to release it from the mounting fasteners. If you need to remove the handle for any reason, it's recommended that you replace the plastic fasteners on the door before reinstalling. Visit geapplianceparts.com for replacement fasteners. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.